Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Amyo with the wife Amy.
Hello.
And we got the Rookie Explosion box by Filmington. This is the month of August. So, let's see what we can get. These are going to be our... There, you want to take those out of there. This is what... Got a 97 Fleer Series 2. We're looking for David Ortiz. 2014 Topps Update, Mookie Betts and Jacob deGrom. 15 Bowman Draft. 19 Series 2. 19 Topps Update. 20 Bowman Retail. 21 Bowman Retail. And 21 Topps Chrome Light. If you want to get in on it, this is how you get in on it. Alright guys, let us know if you get it. If you've pulled anything good out of it. I don't think we've ever opened a 97 Fleer pack. So we'll go in the order that he has them. So we're looking for David Ortiz in this one. Yeah, we've definitely never done any of these, right? And we got Mo Vaughn. Got Cal Ripken Jr. Greg Maddux. Thomas Howard. Scott Spezio, New Horizon. Got a checklist, Jeff Bagwell. Will Kunan. So Jay Bell. Cal Eldred. Kevin Tapani. And $1 Million Moment. I don't think we're going to win that. Alright, so no David Ortiz in there. Wow, I never opened any of them. Alright, so next up we got 2014 Topps Update. We're looking for Mookie Betts and Jacob deGrom out of this pack. We got a Davis. Kalish. Got Drew Stubbs. Got a Martin Prado. Aaron Sanchez rookie. We got a gold of Mike Adams. 1918 out of 2014. Paul Molitor. That's a cool card. I like that. Bloomquist. Got a Polanco rookie. And a Solarte rookie. So not who we were looking for in there. Got some cool cards though. Alright, 15 Bowman Draft. We're looking for Austin Riley, Kyle Tucker, Walker Buehler, Benintendi, Brendan Rodgers, and Swanson. So we got a good amount of guys to look for. And we'll take that guy. Aaron Judge. Stewart. We got a Kevin Newman first. That's nice. Even though it's not on there. Got a chrome of Jeff Hendricks. Tyler Mark. Romaine Quinn. And Courtney Hawkins. In that one. So still haven't gotten one that we're looking for yet. 19 Series 2. We're looking for Vladdy, Tatis, Alonso, and Jimenez. Got a Jaylene Beeks rookie. We got a gold in there. Cuevas, Lugo, Patrick Corbin, the Cincinnati Reds, Strake Pose, Cunha and Albies. Got a Victor Caratini. We got a gold of Adam Frazier. And that's 266 out of 2019. Austin Wins. Tyler White. Kramer. Matuk. Visciano. And a Luke Voigt finishes off that one. Alright, next up. What do we got? 3 packs left though? Okay, so 19 Topps Update. Austin Riley, Vladdy, and Tatis.
giving me a problem with the corner.
The corner's giving you a problem?
Yeah.
Nice. Get him out safely, right? Andrew Kisner. Justice Sheffield rookie. Fuentes. Evaldi. Sergio Romo. Plawecki. Hunter Pence. Oh, we got a cool card right here. We got a 150 stamp of Acuna. The All-Star game. Pretty sweet, though. Still a 150 stamp. Hernandez. Flores. Grandal. Merrifield. We got a Tatis rookie debut. And a Vladdy home run derby. So not the main ones, but still a little something. Not too bad there. 20 Bowman. This is retail. We're looking for Bobby Witt, Anthony Volpe, and Jason Dominguez. We start off with a Tim Anderson. Whit Merrifield. Christian Yelich, Laureano, Amaya, there's a Dahlback, Crouch, and boom. Nice chrome too. You want to put him in a... Looks pretty good too, not too bad. There we go. We got a Edman, a Votto, a Castro, and a Glaber. Thank you, man. Perfect. All right, we got a Jason Dominguez. Chrome. They're very nice. Okay, 21 Bowman. This is also retail. Looking for Austin Martin, Jordan, Costa, Pomeranz, Cespedes, Alcantara, and a Perez auto. So let's see what we can get here. We got a Luis Castillo, Cody Bellinger, Josh Donaldson, Aaron Nola, Joey Gallo. Here's a Vladdy. Got a Robert Hassel, Futurist. Oh, the wind's going to take our cards now. Yeah. I was hoping it would hold up a little bit. Espinino, Mitchell, Taglia, it's a Alcantara. It's not a chrome, but still a nice first. And George Kirby. All right, last pack. Glad we at least filled up the board there. 21 Topps Chrome Light. Chisholm, McClanahan, Hayes, Adele, Carlson, Kirk, and Mountcastle. Got a couple cards to do it in. Let's see. So we have... How many cards do we got? Just 3?
Yeah.
I thought it was supposed to be 4. 4 cards. Huh. All right, Josh Hader. We got an Eloy. And a Vladdy. So we only got 3 cards in that pack.
Huh.
Very weird. Maybe one of the other packs got 5 in it. I thought maybe we had 3 because we had something in there. Alright, guys. Somebody's getting 5 maybe. Alright. Hope you enjoyed that. Make sure you hit the like button. Comment below. Subscribe if you're not. And until next time, keep collecting. Me and the wife are out. Later.